What's going on, y'all? So, weather, holidays, I haven't really felt like getting out here and doing some work, but I got a remote start to put into Family Hauler, so I'll show you that process. It's fairly simple. It's just a factory style plug and play setup going through ForScan. Originally, we had an aftermarket system put in this truck by a company here in town. They didn't wire it up right, and it kept killing the battery, so we ended up having to get the dash wiring fixed and bunch of other issues. I didn't know Ford had a plug and play kit, or else I would have done it to begin with. So let's go ahead and get started and show you what we're doing. So this kit comes with the antenna wire, and then 2 key blanks. So I already had these keys cut, just took them down to my Ace Hardware. They charged me $5 to do it, so all in all I'm $60 into this. Now we're going to start by popping this panel off here and then dropping the glove box. Now, it wouldn't hurt to pull this weather stripping up, kind of just so you can get to it all. So we got this panel off. If you look in here, right here, there guys, try to get a hand and a camera in there. You guys should see the TPMS module. That's what we're plugging into. I went ahead and pulled the module out so that way you guys can see what I did. I just clipped that in there. Then we get up into the dash, and there's a flat spot right up in there where we can just zip tie the hanger or the antenna. So that's what we're going to do next. There's my antenna plugged in, just like so. We'll zip tie this up out of the way, and then we can go to program the keys. Alright, the antenna is zip tied up. Side panel's back on. We'll get the glove box closed up. I've got to go get my laptop and see if I can figure out the ForScan and program some keys. Times within 10 seconds from off to run. Now that means now it should work to start the. Alright, y'all. So I was going to show you how to cycle the key, and I got frustrated because it wasn't working how I wanted it. Come to find out, if you have both factory keys, you can program a third without having to take it to a dealership. So let me explain to you what we did. We took key number 1, cycled it 8 times in a matter of 10 seconds. Then after that's cycled 8 times, we shut it off. Within 10 seconds, we inserted factory key number 2, cycled it on and off really quickly. Then, within the 20 seconds, we put in the unprogrammed key and cycled it on and off. You'll know this works because the locks in the vehicle will unlock and lock. You can only do 1 additional key. If you want to add a 4th, I believe you've got to take it to the dealership and delete one from the PAT system. So currently, we can remote start with 1 key. I'm going to do some digging and see what we can do to add that other remote start fob. I think I have to take it to the dealership though and get it programmed. So simple programming, a little more of a headache than I thought as far as the keys go, because I misunderstood some things. Thought I should put that out there. So once again, factory key cycled 8 times on and off till the locks go up and down. Insert the second factory key within 10 seconds, and then insert the new key and program it. Now, we should be able to hit the lock button, doors work, and I should be able to hit the remote start, and the vehicle should start. Maybe not. Oh, there you go. You gotta hit the lock button and then the remote start. So, anyways, this is new to me. I'm not this fancy usually. I drive a 30-year-old truck every day that has nothing to it. So, we can also shut it off from here. And then to start it, you hit lock. 1, 2. So now we have remote start. Easy, simple. If I would have known about the key situation to begin with, I would have had this done a long time ago. I've been on my computer for the past hour trying to figure out why it won't program. So, that being said, thanks for watching, y'all. God bless. And if you liked, hit the like and subscribe button. Take care.